Hi everyone, let's talk about how to use Airbnb new host guarantee feature. So let me tell you guys, Airbnb's host damage protection, which is a part of AirCover, automatically covers you for up to $3 million in property damage or lost valuables. So to use it, you must first attempt to resolve the issue directly with the guest and follow some mandatory steps. So the first thing what you have to do is document the damage. Before the next guest checks in, take clear photos and videos of the damage and gather repair estimates or original receipts. Now, the next what you can do is request payment in the Resolution Center. Just head to a Airbnb app, then go to the Airbnb Resolution Center within 14 days of the guest's checkout, and then submit a formal reimbursement request clearly outlining what happened and how much you are asking for. Now wait for the guest's response. The guest has 24 hours to pay your requested amount. If they ignore the request, decline it, or pay only a partial amount, the option to involve Airbnb support will unlock. Now escalate to Airbnb support. Once the 24-hour window passes without a full resolution, tap the button to involve Airbnb support. You will be required to submit all your gathered evidence, for example, photos, videos, and receipts for evaluation. Now, the things that you have to keep in mind is the claims, those are submitted past 14 days of checkout, are strictly denied. If you're claiming more than $300 for stolen or vandalized items, a police report is required. Airbnb covers actual damage, but standard wear and tear is not eligible. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.